Happy day, students. Today we'll have a look at what is event protocol. Protocols are a set of traditional practices that long have been accepted and used in dealing with meetings. It encompasses various religious and cultural traditions and includes a proper way of addressing dignitaries, the way to dress for an event, and how the event should be conducted. So the first protocol that we are going to see is titles. Title guide provides guidelines for correct titles for people like government official, diplomats, religious leaders, military personnel, etc. Next protocol is dress for occasion. Dress for formal occasion. Appropriate dress should be included on the invitation if possible. Name of the badges should be worn on the right hand side so that is easily readable by others. So we have different protocols for dresses, ethnic wear, formal wear, Halloween themes, uniforms. So these are some of the dress codes that are followed at events. Protocol for speakers. Speakers need to be briefed in advance and provided with a list of guests to be welcomed in the order of precedence. Timing and length of the meeting needs to be discussed with the speakers before the event. Next is the seating protocol. Correct seating arrangements for the occasions such as award ceremonies, formal dinners must be observed by the event organizers. A handbook of seating protocol can be handy tool in determining who is to sit where while hosting an official event. Next is religious and cultural protocol. Formalities attached to most of the religious and cultural ceremonies, although they may or may not be observed by the client, the event organizers are required to assist with the protocol for such events or provide advice if client wants more relaxed arrangement. So based on each event, the requirements change and the place where the event is conducted. Next is sporting protocol for sporting ceremonies. There are a number of formalities for sporting events, including awarding of trophies, medals at the ceremony held. The event has to be finished with different conventions, press interviews, a number of sports events take place with telecast rights. So these are some of the protocols that has been long adopted for various events. Thank you. I think you should have understood what do you mean by a protocol. Thank you.